So, fillet steak au poivre. Very simple, easy dish to prepare at home. Your ingredients, your 2 fillet steaks, peppercorns. These are a mixture of black and white peppercorns, some unsalted butter, so a little bit of double cream, and if you've got, or you can buy supermarket stock, a little bit of stock, but this is not essential to the actual dish. So to cook the steaks, nice hot pan, be generous with the pepper, so press it on. Don't be afraid of the pan being hot, because that's the only way you're going to be able to seal in the juices of this beautiful Welsh beef. So straight into the pan, and don't touch it, just leave it for about 2 minutes. We're going to cook these steaks medium rare. Obviously if you want them rare, just cook a little bit less. If you want it well done, just cook a little bit more. So in the pan for about 2 minutes to get a nice crust. The pan might need a little bit of oil, a little bit more oil. Don't pour the oil over the steak, pour the oil around the outside. Turn them over, and again another minute to 2 minutes on this side. Maybe 2 minutes on this side. Just check if you've got a nice colour, a nice crust. Now it's up to you. These are sort of rare, medium rare. You can, of course, if you want them cooked a little bit more, just pop them into your oven for about 2 or 3 minutes. If you want it sort of medium well, maybe a little bit more if you want it well done. But personally, I wouldn't recommend well done, especially with a fillet. I would say about 30 grams of butter per person, and then just add a generous amount of brandy. And lift your steaks out onto a warm dish. And then a very important part of cooking any piece of beef is the resting. So if you've cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes, what you need to do is rest it for 3 to 4 minutes, preferably in an oven that's just on about sort of 50 degrees. And you have to leave it for 3 or 4 minutes. It doesn't matter if you leave it for 10 minutes, because as long as your sauce is hot, your steak is still going to be perfect. Steaks out of its resting place, and you can see there's some juice that comes out of the steak, and the more you cook the steak, the more juice that comes out. But it's obviously better to keep the juices inside your piece of nice Welsh black beef. So at this stage, add a little bit dash of cream. And your sauce is basically finished. If you do have that added advantage of some good stock, shop bought or homemade, just add a spoonful. Just a little sprinkling of salt over the steaks. Personally, I don't like to put salt on steaks or any meat before I cook it, because salt brings out the juices. This way you get the flavour and the juice all in the steak at the same time.